Pinakabagong cafe sa Baliwag na Instagrammable? Tara, yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba, nalaman ko, kami napadpad dito sa JRG Fuel Hub Gas Station Compound sa BS Aquino Avenue sa Tangos, Baliwag, Bulacan upang subukan ng More Than Coffee. Meron silang modern industrial interior na madami ka makikitang IG-worthy corners at for sure ay di ka uuwi nang wala kang picture sa kanilang full body mirror. Dahil gutom na kami, sinubukan namin ang kanilang mga bestsellers starting with appetizers. Meron silang nachos na may good nacho chip texture, hindi maalat yung mala shawarma meat na toppings at may cheesy fries na ganito ang slices at serving na may dip pa na cheese. For pasta, meron silang truffle pasta, chicken alfredo, at Big Mac na ikaw na lang ang bahala kung anong preferred taste mo. For rice bowls, merong sweet and spicy adobo na masarap at malambot yung chicken at may sweet and spicy hint in every bite at may paitlog pa. For mains, meron namang barbecue baby back ribs na ganito ang serving. Sweet and sour fish with rice na generous sa sauce, malambot yung fish at may balance na sweet and sour taste. While fave ko sa kanila ang crispy kare-kare na masarap, fresh ang gulay, pork is malambot and crispy ang balat at yung bagoong nagko-complement sa sweet peanut sauce. Tara naman sa kanilang drinks. Try sea salt for iced coffee na hindi na overpower yung salty hint ng sea salt with the caffeine. Pwede ka mag-cafe latte for something hot at pure matcha naman for matcha lovers. Masarap ang frap, mapa-biscoff, strawberry cream, or chocolate chip na hindi super tamis kaya naman maugustuhan mo din. Kung something refreshing, try MTC Refresher na citrusy ang lasa while lychee soda has balanced fruity taste. And for desserts, they also offer pastries. They are pet-friendly, may free wifi at may outlets, and can accommodate up to 38 packs. Open sila from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito sa More Than Coffee sa Baliwag, Bulacan. Let's go!